Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm very blessed to be here. I'm very blessed to show you my haul. Today is very hot out there. We're from Branson, Missouri area, but it's very hot here. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all of my subscribers and all my old subscribers. I couldn't do it without you guys. I very much appreciate it. Thank you guys. My sister's coming down next week, so I don't know if I'll do a video or not. So she gets to stay a month. But she's coming from Illinois area, so Mom's excited about having her, and I'm excited about having her. But I'll try to do one. I'll probably do one, but I'm not sure. But thank you for tuning in. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribe, and hopefully I can get Puss in another one. But I ended up buying these two L'Oreal Leave. They're on sale 2 for $8. There's $4 digital or $3 digital, and then you get $3 back, so it makes it $1 a piece. So that is a fantastic stock up deal if you like L'Oreal. I ended up, I don't know where the toothbrush is, but this is $3, and there's also a toothbrush. It's the Tea Peach one and then the Vivid one. They're $3. There's $1 digital and then $1 digital, and then you get $4 back. So it makes it absolutely free. So that is a fantastic deal if you need Crest and the toothbrushes. So I thought this was a good deal. I ended up, they got the bigger ones too, but these qualify. These are $1.99, buy one, get one half price. I bought 3 of them. If you buy 3 of them, you pay, you get $3 in register rewards back. So I thought that was a good deal on that. I was mistaken on this. I thought that you got a register reward, or I didn't get a register reward, so I got to check into this. These were 2 for $8 too, and there was like a $3 digital. I thought you got register reward back, but I didn't. But if you need Garnier Fructis hairspray, it was $5 or $2.50 a piece. So I still don't think that's a bad deal. I stocked up on these. You can mix and match. I ended up buying 4 Tide, but if you buy 4 of them at $5.49, there's some people are getting digitals or getting paper coupons that you can do it in the save. But these are $5.49. You get $5 in register reward for buying 4. And then you also get a $5 thing. So that is a fantastic deal. So altogether you're getting, it's $21.96. You're getting $10 back. So it makes it $11.96 for 4 of them. So I thought that's a good deal. And you can keep rolling them too. I ended up buying 3 of the Easy Spray. These are on sale for $4.99. I ended up getting about 3 of them. Oops, starting to leak. And then I bought this big one for $5.49. And then there's $1 digital. And then you also get $5 back in spending, buying 4 of them, and then, or spending 20 and then getting 5. So you get $10 back from that. So I think that is a fantastic deal too. And like I said, if you like P&G, you like stocking up on it. My family loves Dawn. They don't like the spray stuff, but I can sell it, and people like it. So, and then they like Tide. So, and then Tide's so expensive anymore nowadays. So I thought that's a good deal for. So it's like $3 a piece. So that's a fantastic stock up deal if you like Tide and Dawn and all that. These were $7.49. It's buy one, get 2 free. So it makes it like $2.50 a piece, something like that. So, but that was my haul, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And like I said, I will try to do a video next week. I'm not promising anything, but I'll keep you updated on everything I do. Thank you guys. God bless you, and hopefully I can put Puss in another video soon. So God bless you. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. And thank you for all your comments and Thank you for all your prayers for my mom. She's doing better. She's still weak, but she's doing good though. So, but thank you for everything. God bless you. Bye.